Right, time for another video. We have another challenge lock. This time pinned up by Trekmaster 30. It's a 6-pin lock. And there's the bitting. Right, let's get going. I've had several challenge locks lately, so I'm just trying to get through them all. Five. Pin 2, put me into a deep false set. I was pin 3 and lost my false set. Oh, just caught pin 2 there and put it back in a false set. I was pin 2 again, very deep false set. And pin 1. Right, see if I can get this gutted. I've got a key. I'll leave it unlocked for the time being. Just put that down there. Right, let's see if I can get this gutted. Use a shim. Ah, it's too big. Second. Try this one. Just caught up on something there. Right, just put this down for a second. Oh. Where did I put them? I should have worked harder at putting the shim in. Right, let me just work this out. That came out 1. This is all 2. Right, I'm going to have to work on this. Right. That's 3. Right, I can put that safely down for a second, gather my thoughts. Right, I don't know what to make of that. Right, let's just get the key pins out. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Some amazing key pins there. Right, let's have a look at this. Threaded in 2, 5, and 6. So I might be better off if I can get that spring out. This cutting's not going as well as I would have liked. That's out of 2. That's out of 3. Six. 5. 4. 6. 5. Let's have a feel in there. 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 4. They're all standard, nothing that's been touched. Right, where's the key? And just move the camera down a little bit. Just a second. And there's the pins in pin 4, a driver pin. You can see the way that's been put in. So sorry, it looks like I'll separate that in a bit. It looks like it was a T-pin that was put in upside down, but it has got a deep serration. Oh no, hang on a second, it's a pin and pin. This is the end. That's it. Right, that looks like it could do with a wafer in there. Right, I'm going to have to spend some time trying to get this back together. And pin 2. Oh, driver pin 2 looks like a pin and pin. This is just a very deep spool. Explain some of the deep falsets I was getting. That's a pin and pin. These are deep serration. Just a second. Now it's just pin with deep serrations. These are absolutely fantastic pins. I can't imagine how you would go about making pins like these. Right, I'm seeing this for the first time as well. Right, I think that's the end of the video. Right, if anybody knows any other video with this particular lock, so I can look at it and see how it goes back together, I'd appreciate it if you could mention it in the comments. But otherwise, that's it. Thank you very much, and goodbye.